So, in this video, we're gonna show you how to stick an XT60 plugs into the power cords of your FPV drone. First off, you've got to keep your battery off. Then get their wires stripped about ½ an inch around the cords, which are kinda red and black. Now, get them tinned with a tiny drop of solder on each end to make things stronger and a bit cleaner. Next up, link them up the red one to the positive input marked plus, and the black to the negative output marked. Make sure the link is tacky and solid, with no straying ends. Next, pop the glue up on the red and black cords, making sure they're all in for the takeoff. Just give it a go and enjoy your drone. Plus, no need to worry about a wrong connection. All right, you've got your plugs ready to jump into flight.